Here's a beauty to take a look at. Good customer of ours brought down his Cadillac collection. It's time to thin it out. And this is one of those vehicles, 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum. Absolutely immaculate condition, very well taken care of. One owner vehicle, clean Carfax, confirms miles, no accidents. These are the ones you look for, folks, when you're looking for a pre-owned vehicle that is in nice shape, well taken care of, good service history. Here you go. Now, first off, I'm going to tell you where to look at the still pictures. So you can see the interior, undersides, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can also call us 507-386-1726. I would suggest, if you are in the market for one of these vehicles, to call when you see this. Don't expect this one's going to stick around too long. As you can see, front fascia, nice shape. It's not full of road, debris, hazard, chips, imperfections, anything like that. You might have a touch up here and there. It's black, but you can tell the previous owner cared for it. Got a little rock chip here or there, was touched up. There is also a folder of receipts that he did, if it was oil changes or a recall or anything that he did on this vehicle. Folder of receipts that will also go with it. The window sticker will be included with it. This vehicle actually, window sticker on it was practically $87,000 brand new. And again, this is the Platinum Edition. So this is the fully loaded version of the Escalade ESV. Go through a few things on it. If you're looking at these and have looked at them, you probably know them as well as I do. Take a look at the headrests with the DVD players in each of the headrests, and then you also have the roof mounted. So 3 rows of seating. Now, some of the options. Of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter V8 engine. That is putting out, I believe it was 403 horsepower. This is an all-wheel drive vehicle, of course. Now, when I get around to the back of this real quick, yes, this is, a 2015 taillight or later. Due to the fact, in 13, this right here would be where the taillight would end, and the top portion would be a filler panel. He just liked the looks of the newer style, so guess what? Switched him to his liking. If you like it the old way, we're going to include the original taillight filler panels with it also. So a little bit of an option for you there. Now, back to some of those options as far as what the vehicle has. Navigation, Bose 5.1 surround sound, 7-passenger seating, tri-zone auto climate control, power sunroof, heated and cooled seats, as well as the cup holders, and the list goes on and on. Power lift gate on these, navigation system, of course your windows, locks, tilts, cruise, air, all of that standard equipment that you'd expect to find in a Cadillac Escalade. It is there. Take a look at the window sticker. It's in the pictures of this vehicle in the still picture, so you can look down the window sticker, see what this vehicle had for equipment. Of course, there you can see Platinum Edition. Main Motors in Anoka is where this vehicle was sold new. It does have the receiver hitch underneath that cover in the center there, and then of course that's your rear parking assist spots on the bumper. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's riding on 22s, and those are chromed aluminum Escalade wheels. Take a look at the condition of the paint and the driver's side here. You can see the reflection all the way to the front door through our showroom. So you know this paint is in nice shape, and again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's black. You may find a little imperfection here and there, but overall, there are not many on this vehicle. Power fold down running boards. When you open the door, those are going to go down. Both key fobs will also be included with the sale of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. You do have dual power seats on both sides. And remember I said earlier that they are heated and ventilated, or heated and cooled. You're also going to have that on the cup holders in the center console. There's your automatic climate control for both sides, and actually the rear also, so you got climate control in this. AM FM CD player, of course, with the navigation and that Bose system. Sunroof, as you can see, steering wheel controls. A little over 40,000 miles on this vehicle. Memory seating. Power tilt and telescopic wheel. Take that back, power tilt. But you would have power pedal. So you have power adjustable pedals. No telescopic. All right, let's go ahead. Fire this up. There's your miles, a little over 47,000. 141. And as you can see, no warning indicators, anything like that. We just have the seatbelt light flashing, and over on the other side is the daytime running lights. There's your navigation system. You also have XM radio, obviously. I believe this was rolled walnut and maple inlay. It was a real wood inlay on these. There you can take a look at your power running boards working. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run again. 6.2 liter, 403 horsepower. There you get an idea on those rear taillights. And again, the originals are included with it in the styrofoam box. Of course, dual exhaust. Sounds like you'd expect, stock. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood real quick. Let you take a look underneath there, see how clean it is.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Sorry about the glare. Try to keep that out of there best I can. Obviously clean. No salt residue, grime, road grime, anything like that. So you know this is going to be a nice tidy engine bay, and there it is. Again, 6.2 liter, power steering, brakes, AC blows cold. And once again, remember, all the receipts that were done on this vehicle since new, it is a one owner, are included in a folder along with the sale of this vehicle, as well as both key fobs, window sticker, and of course the original taillights in it. So there you go, 2013 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum, one owner, clean Carfax, a little over 41,000 miles. Excuse me, 47 was it? 47,141. Sorry about that. Phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.